Antarctica is such a huge continent filled with ice that there is only ice up to a depth of 5 kilometers, so much ice, and that too spread over 1.5 crore kilometers. That means the size of Antarctica is much bigger than America, even if it is the summer season of June-July. But the temperature of Antarctica remains the same throughout the year from Feeding Dead City to New Zealand state. Due to this century's cold, the hope of life here is very less, but despite that, more than 400 articles have been discovered in the whole of Antarctica, which are hidden under the waves of ice, while once again in the videos, peace is visible in Nazarene. In Antarctica, neither any time zone is followed nor is there any country's work. Hence there are only 2 ATMs in the whole of Antarctica. Machines have been installed. Many people believe that many secrets are hidden under the snow of Antarctica. Some even believe that a different world resides under this snow-covered Mirius cone, where the aliens rule, but researchers and cholas are working hard day and night to uncover the hidden secrets of Mirius cone. They have also discovered some such things here that even science is surprised to see, and today you will see these few amazing things found inside the snow of Antarctica. So let's start with number 8. In 2009, a discovery gave goosebumps to researchers when the structure of a cube was found inside the snow of Antarctica. But the surprising thing in this was not that the structure was of a cube, rather the surprising thing was that it was made of a cube. The structure of this creature was not a common creature but a feline that lays eggs. When the structure of this strange creature was examined in the research lab, it was found that this animal was found on the Earth at least 25 million years ago. Phone number 7. In 2014, ecology found extremely surprising human skulls from Antarctica. The first surprising thing was that these human skulls were found in Antarctica. First were human skulls, and the second surprising thing was these clothes shops. Yes, in comparison to the normal skulls, these skulls looked quite different because their heads were protruding more than the normal ones. The scholars believed that such shape of the skulls is formed because of the strange habit since childhood, and this habit was adopted thousands of years ago in the Indian civilization. Such skulls have also been found in the eyes and feet of the people. That is why they suspect that maybe thousands of years ago people also lived in Antarctica and they must have had some relation with the civilization. Number 6. During the last 50 years more than 10,000 meteorites have been found from Antarctica. There are such pieces of meteorite on it which do not originate from our Earth, but they have come breaking off from some other Earth. The scholars believe that many of the meteorites found are more than 1 million years old. Though it is very difficult to find out that these meteorites have any connection with these stars, but a small meteorite which fell on Antarctica in 2002 was discovered in 2015, and science believes that it has come from a broken ice sheet and not from anywhere else, because inside this meteorite there are such packed elements which are found on ice. Number 5. The depth of ice in Antarctica is 5 kilometers, and this whole continent is much bigger than America. But both the sizes have got some such evidence from here, by looking at which it is estimated that millions of years ago this place was habitable. Yes, 986 many earth rocks have been found from here in the form of dinosaur skeletons and pterosaur skeletons, according to theories. The size of the rock is said to be about 30 feet, which is approximately equal to a triple-sided pyramid. When these structures were measured, it was found that they are at least 70 lakh years old. Hence, it is estimated that the Antarctica plateau was habitable till 70 lakh years ago, and perhaps it existed then. The mountains must be not made of deep snow but of sandhills. We all have seen waterfalls many times, but there is a point at the Taylor crater in Antarctica where there is not waterfall but a bloodfall. In 1911, a scientist named Taylor discovered this platform for the first time. For many centuries, it was believed that blood really flows from inside this fort. But when modern science did research on it, what they found out was even more surprising. Yes, it was found out that there is a very big cave under this fort. But the special thing about the water present in it is that it has more salt than seawater, because of which it does not freeze. Along with this, iron coming out from the mountains is also present in this water. When this water tries to come out of the glacier from any point, then the iron present in the air gets released. Oxygen mixes with iron in water and forms iron oxide, and its color gets added, and due to this we see this water in red color. Number 3. In the water present below the D falls, the institutes also found another surprising thing. Total 17 type bacteria were also found in the water, which do not need oxygen and sunlight to stay alive. APS believes that this is such a type of bacteria which is found on such nets where there is no trace of oxygen and sunlight, but how these bacteria came to our Earth, this secret is still hidden. Although the whole of Antarctica is full of water, seeing this everyone will feel that it is not possible to have shortage of water there, but you will be surprised to know that if there is any most humid place on our Earth, then that too is present in Antarctica itself. This dithecalion was discovered in Africa itself, where not even a single rain has fallen in the last 20 lakh years, because this region is dominated by very strong winds whose speed gets exhausted at a speed of 320 kilometers. That is why the Sahels, it is known that due to strong winds, every drop of water present here has eroded. Let us also tell you that according to all the rules of the Earth, this Buri Valley is very similar to Mach lakhs of kilometers away. This is the reason why NASA, before sending its Viking report to Mach, had tested in Antarctica's Dire Valley, and now a team of number 1 particular eye found a very scary structure of a creature at a depth of 1100 feet inside the ice of Antarctica. To find out which animal this structure belongs to, several experiments were done, but surprisingly it could not be matched with any animal. The length of this creature is said to be 8 feet, whose bones are protruding from the body. Even after several years of hard work, it could not be ascertained till date which animal this was, and after all, where did it come from on this Earth? I hope you will like and share this video a lot. I greatly appreciate your kind comments. I will see you in the next amazing video.